Hello, dear student. Myself, Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bhokarjan. Course code number 302, paper number 16, Electrodynamics. Problem based on the chapter Electromagnetic Wave. Now, see, if a 600 watt of laser beam is concentrated by a lens into a cross sectional area of 10 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter square per n. Find the value of Poynting vector and amplitude of electric field. Now epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 in SI unit. We know Poynting vector S bar equal to power upon area. Now, so putting the value of power and area, we get Poynting vector S bar equal to 600, that is a value of power is given, power of laser beam upon 10 raised to minus 10. So after division we get Poynting vector S bar equal to 6 into 10 raised to 12 watt per meter square. Now average Poynting vector, that is S average, equal to half C into epsilon E0 square, or electric field E0 equal to 2 into average Poynting vector upon C into epsilon raised to half. So now epsilon equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 and C equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So therefore E0 equal to 2 into 6 into 10 raised to 12 upon 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 brackets half raised to half. So equal to, after multiplication we get 12 into 10 raised to 12 upon 27 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to minus 12 bracket raised to half equal to 0.444 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket raised to half. So E0 equal to 0.44 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket raised to half volt per meter. Now calculate the value of Poynting vector for 9200 watt lamp at a distance of 2.0 meter from it. So here total average power emitted by lamp is equal to P equal to 200 watt. Now the light emitted by lamp will spread out in the form of sphere, the radius of which is equal to the distance from it. Therefore radius of sphere equal to R equal to 2.0 meter. So let Poynting vector S average equal to P upon 4 pi R square. So that is equal to 200 upon 4 pi 2 square equal to 3.980 watt per meter square. So Another example, that is calculate the Poynting vector on the surface of sun. If power radiated is 4 into 10 raised to 26 watt and radius of sun is equal to 7 into 10 raised to 8 meter. If average distance between the sun and earth is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter, show that the value of solar constant is 1.34 into 10 raised to 3 watts per meter cube second. Now, total average power radiated by sun, that is P equal to 4 into 10 raised to 26 watt. So average distance between the sun and earth is equal to R equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. So solar constant equal to average value of Poynting vector on the surface of earth, that is denoted by SE, or solar constant SE equal to 4 into 10 raised to 26, that is the power radiated by sun, upon 4 pi. R is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket square. So therefore solar constant SE equal to 0.1415 into 10 raised to 4 watt per meter square. Now next example, that is if power radiated by sun is 3.799 into 10 raised to 26 watt and radius of sun is 7 into 10 raised to 8 meter, then calculate the magnitude of Poynting vector at the surface of sun. Now given, that is P equal to 3.799 to 10 raised to 26 watt, R equal to 7 into 10 raised to 8 meter. These are given in our example. So Poynting vector S is the power radiated per unit area, that is surface area of the sun, is given by 4 pi R square. So S equal to P upon 4 pi R square equal to 3.799 to 10 raised to 26 upon 4 into 3.142 into 49 into 10 raised to 16. So S equal to 6.174 into 10 raised to 7 watt per meter square. Now show that an electromagnetic wave travel with velocity of light in free space or vacuum. So velocity of light is given by equation v square equal to 1 upon mu into epsilon. So here for free space mu equal to mu 0, that is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter, and epsilon equal to epsilon 0 equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter. So velocity of light is given by the equation v square equal to 1 upon mu into epsilon, or it is equal to v square equal to 1 upon mu 0 epsilon 0, and that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, that is the value of mu 0, and epsilon 0 equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. So after simplification, v square equal to 8.99 into 10 raised to 16. So v equal to 3.9 into 10 raised to 8. That is here electromagnetic wave travel with velocity of light is shown in free space. Thank you.